It's been one report after the other. Communities attacked by suspected Fulani herdsmen. Attacks that have left many dead, others injured, and buildings destroyed. The Deputy Senate President, coming through a point of order, informs the Senate of another attack in Enugu State.
Over 50 persons were killed in earlier hours of yesterday at Ozo-1 in Enugu State, Ozo-1 local government in Enugu State. We had about 2,000 people that were displaced. And of course, over 100 people were injured. Houses were burned, including churches.
The lawmaker reminded lawmakers that the Senate had asked the committees on agriculture and national intelligence to hold a public hearing to find solutions to the frequent clashes between Fulani herdsmen and farmers in several communities in the country.
I recall that in my contribution, I suggested that the Committee on Agriculture and Rural Development and National Security and Intelligence do conduct a public hearing on this matter with a view to articulating a lasting solution to the problem. Up till now, that public hearing have not started.
A similar motion was considered in the House of Representatives. Representative Chukwuemeka Ujem, who raised the motion, warned that if drastic measures are not taken, the incident is likely to reoccur.
That the incidents of herdsmen invasion is no longer news in Nigeria. From the recent sad news at Agatu, Benue State, to Taraba, to Ondo, and now Enugu State. It is now becoming a recurrent event that threatens the peace and security of this great nation, depriving citizens of their right to life and safety of their property, guaranteed by the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
In its resolution on the matter, the House mandated the Inspector General of Police to immediately conduct a thorough investigation into the attack. The House has also invited the Director General of the Department of State Security to explain the rising cases of unidentified herdsmen causing mayhem in the country. Lanre Lasese, Channels Television News.